Hello everyone. Today, very interestingly, we are going to learn something like a generative AI tools from scratch. How to start learning this generative AI tools, like a very trending initiative, and the career growth programs are going using generative AI tools. So how to learn these generative AI tools? Very interestingly, I would like to share you a simple concept with you. So imagination where could be possibly making like a products, how it is possible using software programs like a Python or Java, or which you like a most popular, any of the programming language you may choose. Might be design, web design or testing, or API creation, or any maintenance of your project existing legacy task. Yes, where you want to concentrate and where you want to make a master in AI skills. Using these AI tools like ChatGPT, Googlebot AI, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and any other relevant AI tools where creating like a huge context in terms of text, coding, or any other information which you require more and more. Many of the super seniors and professionals are using these generative AI tools to saving a lot of time. So how super easily learn these generative AI tools from scratch is, all you need to create a free account of ChatGPT first. Try with it. Having an email ID, any of Gmail or Microsoft, or if you have a phone number to get an OTP to authenticate, create an account and let's prompting how you are going to search like a Google search. The same way, all you have to search like a type your query like a prompting, we can say that, and you get an information accordingly your query. So how your query to be entered? If you are not satisfied with the provided context or content by AI tool, you just revise your query by adding what your thoughts, what your imagination to be get in a content. So accordingly, based on the content, you have to revise your query and resubmit the prompt and get your answer more accurately. So learning in this way, you will become a successful in your career. It might be a software engineer or electrical engineer or a digital marketing expert or a designer or a professional content writer. Where you want to go, which is your favorite and more interest field or area in the like a job career or a professional career or a freelancing career, where you want to choose, you will become a successful there. So all you need to learn from scratch and apply step-by-step process to grow your career in 10x speed in very less time. All you have to try in a practical way. Wish you good luck. See you in the next lecture.